Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Well, this is it. The final full day of summer is gradually coming to a close, but it's with a beautiful sunset. Let's take you out to Gun Lake tonight. You can see, how about a view there? Sunset coming up in a little under a half an hour. Beautiful conditions out there. And as we head toward Muskegon, more of the same. Not quite the view, but you can see the ship there in the harbor. Overall, really nice weather and mostly clear skies. Storm Track Live shows dry conditions. We did have a few very light showers, one over downtown Grand Rapids, a few over northern Montcalm County. Those have since tapered off. Winds out of the east at about 5 to 10 miles per hour tonight. Light winds going to continue through the weekend for us. 76 right now in Grand Rapids, 79 in Kalamazoo, 80 degrees in Muskegon, and it is not negative 38 in Ludington. That is just an error with the sensor. Wider view shows that we have a pretty active pattern across the United States. We have a disturbance that hasn't really been moving very much, going to produce some rain across the lake over in Wisconsin this weekend. The big story is Tropical Storm Ophelia, which was just recently upgraded to a tropical storm. Winds of 70 miles per hour as it continues to churn toward the coast of North Carolina, expected to make landfall overnight tonight into early Saturday, and it really doesn't move very quickly. By Sunday morning, still hanging around the D.C. area, the DMV, and then only slowly progressing up the East Coast from there into early next week. That means a heavy rain is almost a certainty there, with several inches of rain likely in places like Raleigh, Richmond, up toward D.C., Dover, Delaware. A lot of those areas are certainly going to get some soaking rains. Now, the reason why I bring that up is because Futurecast looks a bit more interesting. So this disturbance stays off to our west, but it's this cloud cover in association with the remnants of Ophelia, which may try to creep in later in the day on Sunday into Monday. So we may end up with a cloudier day than currently forecasted early next week, but it looks like that'll be our only impact. Otherwise, sunshine expected through the weekend. Clear skies overnight tonight gives way to clear skies through the day on Saturday. Very similar, at least for the first half of the day on Sunday, before we do see that chance for some increase in cloud cover as we head into Sunday evening. Here's a look at that 8-day forecast. Upper 70s for tomorrow, mid-70s Sunday. Again, a bit more cloud cover for Monday, perhaps lingering into Tuesday, but temperatures remain in the 70s. Overnight lows only fall to the mid-50s. A very mild, pleasant forecast for us here in West Michigan. Michelle.